Happy Saturday. I'm doing the tip of the week today with Ashlin. I'm really excited about this tip because it can help a ton of people. A ton of people have a lot of static in their hair or frizz, or a ton of people say, you know, my ends feel dry, like they look dry and they're nasty. So leave-in conditioner. There's a lot of leave-in conditioners out there and you can choose which one you love. I love this one because it's not heavy. It doesn't feel like waxy or it's weighing your hair down. So it's a cream and you can leave it in your hair and it eliminates all of that, but yet it makes it super soft and light. So that's why I like this one. I wanted to show you guys how to apply it. With this leave-in conditioner, with long hair, you're probably going to want about a nickel size amount, okay, because her hair is long. Okay, so you rub it in your hands really good. Then you're going to come up by the ears. You start from the ears down, okay? Then you obviously, there we go. Sorry, I'm just going to kind of come behind her. Okay, so you go all the way through. You pull it through the ends. I'm actually going to get a little bit more because she has really thick hair. Okay, rub it again. Okay, turn around, sweetie. Okay, and then you're going to come up through about here and then just put it all through your ends. Okay, a lot of people like to, when they put it in, why they're putting it in, like a lot of people like to do this, like they're gonna do, you know, put their hair in a ponytail. They just pull it back like this and then they just rub it all the way through. Another way you could do it is grab one of your wet brushes, or I love the Epic wet brush. If you've been watching me, you obviously know that. So after you put the leave-in conditioner in, you can take your Epic wet brush and just comb it through everywhere. Anyway, and then this helps eliminate the frizz, the dry looking ends, especially the more you use it, and static. So I do have some clients that have bought the leave-in conditioner for their little girls because they have a lot of static. Excuse me. So the leave-in conditioner is a super good way to eliminate static, frizz, and dry looking ends. So anyway, I'm so glad you guys popped on today for the tip of the week, and watch for our videos next week, and obviously next Saturday for our next tip of the week. Again, thanks for your support. Please like and subscribe, and we appreciate you. Have a good day. See ya.